got up early this morning to come down to the Cape Hatteras Light Station. So we got here and we were so excited. But yeah, there's a lighthouse.
It's shrouded in scaffolding.
It's mostly a construction site, but we're gonna go in and get our stamp and our passport, hopefully, if they're open. But man, it's some serious construction stuff going on here. But it was a nice drive, and today was our first sunny day in a week. So this is not the first time that we have gone somewhere and it's been closed for restoration. And just like your home, you've got to do some maintenance. So I'm glad they're doing it. We didn't travel as far for this one as we have traveled before, though.
No, we didn't go to Rome to see the Vatican, but obviously that's one of the sites. And we got there, and it was kind of like the lighthouse. It was covered in scaffolding. So we talked to the staff in the visitor center here, and this project is an 18-month project, so they hope it's complete by summer of 2026. It was supposed to have started in 2020, but because of COVID, it was delayed, so they just started. This is the end of March 2024. They just started about a month ago, so it's in the early stages, so it's going to be this way for a while. But they said it is much, much needed. It really needs a facelift on the outside. Structurally, it's got some problems. So it'll look good after. So come back in 2026 and give it a look.